Trying to gain weight but struggling to add healthy muscle instead of unwanted fat? The right foods can make a major difference. In this video, we'll explore 5 calorie-dense, nutrient-rich foods that can support healthy weight gain, muscle growth, and recovery, especially for adults in the United States who want stronger, healthier bodies. Number 1. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is one of the easiest foods to add extra calories and nutrients to your daily diet. It is naturally rich in healthy fats, plant-based protein, and calories, making it a convenient choice for people who struggle to eat enough food to gain weight. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter can provide a significant amount of energy without requiring a large serving. This makes it especially useful if you feel full quickly. You can spread peanut butter on whole grain toast, add it to oatmeal, blend it into a smoothie, or pair it with bananas for a simple high-calorie snack. Peanut butter also contains protein, which helps support muscle repair and growth when combined with regular strength training. Its healthy fats can contribute to overall calorie intake while providing important nutrients. For healthier choices, look for natural peanut butter with minimal added sugar and avoid products containing excessive added oils or hydrogenated fats. Portion size still matters because peanut butter is calorie-dense. For adults trying to gain healthy weight, the goal is not simply to eat as many calories as possible. Instead, focus on nutrient-rich foods that provide calories along with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Adding peanut butter consistently to balanced meals can be a simple strategy for increasing your daily calorie intake while supporting a healthier approach to weight gain. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent food for healthy weight gain because they provide high-quality protein along with healthy fats and several important vitamins and minerals. They are also affordable, versatile, and easy to include in meals throughout the day. 1 large egg provides several grams of high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. These amino acids are important for maintaining and building muscle, especially when you combine adequate protein intake with resistance training. Eggs can be prepared in many ways. You can enjoy scrambled eggs with whole grain toast, make an omelet with vegetables and cheese, or add boiled eggs to a nutritious lunch. Combining eggs with calorie-dense foods such as avocado, whole grain bread, or potatoes can create a more substantial meal. Egg yolks also provide nutrients such as vitamin B12, selenium, and choline. These nutrients play important roles in normal body functions. If your goal is to gain healthy weight, avoid relying on fried eggs alongside highly processed foods. Instead, build balanced meals around eggs and pair them with vegetables, whole grains, fruits, and other nutrient-rich ingredients. For people who have difficulty consuming enough calories, eggs can be particularly useful because they provide substantial nutrition in a relatively small serving. Remember, healthy weight gain should focus on gradually increasing calories while maintaining good overall nutrition. Eggs can be a practical part of that strategy, particularly when combined with regular strength training exercises. Number 3. Avocado. Avocado is another excellent food for people who want to gain weight in a nutritious way. Unlike many high-calorie foods that contain lots of added sugar or highly processed ingredients, avocado provides calories along with healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and several essential nutrients. Because avocado is relatively calorie-dense, adding it to meals can increase your overall energy intake without requiring a very large portion of food. You can slice it onto whole grain toast, add it to salads, mix it into sandwiches, or use it as a topping for eggs and rice. Avocados also provide fiber which supports normal digestive health and can help you build balanced meals. They contain nutrients such as potassium, folate, and vitamins including vitamin K. For healthy weight gain, try combining avocado with protein-rich foods. For example, you could make a bowl containing rice, beans, chicken, vegetables, and avocado. This creates a meal that provides carbohydrates, protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients. Another easy option is avocado toast topped with eggs. This combination provides energy and protein while keeping the meal simple. Although avocado is nutritious, it is still high in calories, so portion size should match your individual needs. Healthy weight gain usually works best when you gradually increase your calorie intake rather than dramatically increasing food consumption overnight. If you're trying to gain muscle and body weight, avocado can be a delicious way to add extra calories and healthy fats to an otherwise balanced diet. Number 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt can be a convenient and nutritious option for healthy weight gain because it provides protein, carbohydrates, and important nutrients such as calcium. Choosing a full-fat variety can also make it easier to increase calorie intake without dramatically increasing food volume. Protein is particularly important when your goal is to gain muscle rather than simply increase body weight. Greek yogurt contains a substantial amount of protein per serving, making it useful as part of a post-workout meal or everyday snack. To increase the calorie content, combine Greek yogurt with foods such as berries, bananas, oats, nuts, seeds, or natural peanut butter. For example, a bowl of full-fat Greek yogurt topped with banana, oats, walnuts, and peanut butter can provide a nutrient-dense combination of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. When shopping, check the nutrition label and consider choosing plain Greek yogurt with little or no added sugar. You can naturally sweeten it with fruit if desired. Greek yogurt is also versatile. You can eat it for breakfast, use it as a snack, or incorporate it into smoothies. For people who have difficulty eating large meals, calorie-rich yogurt bowls and smoothies can be particularly helpful because they are easy to consume and customize. Healthy weight gain is about improving the overall quality and quantity of your diet. Greek yogurt can support that goal by delivering protein and calories in a convenient, nutrient-rich package. Number 5. Salmon. Salmon is a nutrient-dense food that can support healthy weight gain while providing high-quality protein and beneficial fats. It is particularly valuable for people who want to build or maintain muscle while increasing their calorie intake. A serving of salmon provides a substantial amount of complete protein, which supplies the amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and maintenance. Salmon is also well known for containing omega-3 fatty acids, which are important components of a balanced diet. To create a calorie-rich, balanced meal, pair salmon with foods such as brown rice, quinoa, potatoes, whole-grain pasta, or avocado. Adding vegetables and a healthy source of fat can make the meal even more nutritious. For example, a salmon bowl with rice, avocado, vegetables, and a simple olive oil-based dressing can provide protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, and important micronutrients in one meal. If you're trying to gain weight, you don't need to eat enormous portions. Instead, gradually increase the amount of nutritious food you eat throughout the day. Salmon can be especially helpful because it provides substantial nutrition in a relatively moderate serving. Choose preparation methods such as baking, grilling, or roasting rather than relying on heavily fried versions. Remember that healthy weight gain involves more than one food. A balanced diet, sufficient protein, adequate calories, strength training, sleep, and consistency all matter. Adding salmon to your weekly meal plan can be a delicious way to increase protein and nutrient intake while supporting your goal of gaining weight and building a stronger body.